Wait. Why do we say eat, ate, eaten? Why not just eat? Is this the reason we get confused in spoken English? Many students say, "Ma'am, I understand English, but I cannot speak." Do you also feel like this? The real problem is we don't know how to use verb forms correctly. But don't worry. Today, I will show you a very simple way. If you practice this, your spoken English will improve step by step. Okay? Let's start with this small chart. First one is arise, arose, arisen, arising, arises. The first form is arise. Second form is arose. Third form is arisen. And in form is arising, and S or ES form is arises. Okay? Come to next. Become, became, become, becoming, becomes. Okay? First form is become. Second form is became. Third form is become. ING form is becoming. S or ES form is becomes. Okay? The next, come, came, come, coming, comes. I repeat, come, came, come, coming, comes. Okay? Come to next. Draw, drew, drawn, drawing, draws. Draw, drew, drawn, drawing, draws. Next is eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. I repeat, eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Next, fall, fell, fallen, falling, falls. Fall, fell, fallen, falling, falls. Next, grow, grew, grown, growing, grows. I repeat, grow, grew, grown, growing, grows. Next, hide, hid, hidden, hiding, hides. Hide, hid, hidden, hiding, hides. Keep, kept, kept, keeping, keeps. Keep, kept, keeping, keeps. Next, learn, learned, 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 learning, learns. Learn, learned, learned, learning, learns. In second form, we can say learned, L-E-A-R-N-D, learned. We can also say learned, L-E-A-R-N-E-D. Okay. Third form is also same, learned, learned, L-E-A-R-N-T or L-E-A-R-N-E-D. Okay. If you practice these verb forms daily, your spoken English will improve. Okay? Your confidence will increase slowly, step by step. Don't try to remember everything in one day. Okay? Just practice daily. Clear? We will continue more in next class. Okay? Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.